Welcome to Classes with BS, a new session of Odisha GK. Question number 1. Which is the largest city in Odisha by population? Option number A, Bhubaneswar. Option number B, Cuttack. Option number C, Rourkela. Option number D, Puri. Correct answer, option number A, Bhubaneswar. Question number 2. Which river flows through the city of Cuttack? Option number A, Mahanadi. Option number B, Brahmani. Option number C, Subarnarekha. Option number D, Vaitarani. Correct answer, option number A, Mahanadi. Question number 3. Which national park is located in Odisha? Option number A, Bhitarkanika National Park. Option number B, Jim Corbett National Park. Option number C, Kanha National Park. Option number D, Sundarbanas National Park. Correct answer, option number A, Bhitarkanika National Park. Question number 4. Who is the first woman Chief Minister of Odisha? Option number A, Nandini Satpathy. Option number B, Sarala Das. Option number C, Malati Chaudhary. Option number D, Rama Devi. Correct answer, option number A, Nandini Satpathy. Question number 5. Which temple in Odisha is famous for its annual Rath Yatra? Option number A, Lingaraj Temple. Option number B, Konarka Sun Temple. Option number C, Jagannath Temple. Option number D, Mukteswar Temple. Correct answer, option number C, Jagannath Temple. Question number 6. Which district of Odisha is known as for its rich tribal culture? Option number A, Koraput. Option number B, Jajpur. Option number C, Bhadrak. Option number D, Anugul. Correct answer, option number A, Koraput. Question number 7. Which city in Odisha is known as Silver City? Option number A, Cuttack. Option number B, Bhubaneswar. Option number C, Sambalpur. Option number D, Puri. Correct answer, option number A, Cuttack. Question number 8. Which beach in Odisha is famous for its endangered olive ridley turtles? Option number A, Puri Beach. Option number B, Chandrabhaga Beach. Option number C, Gopalpur Beach. Option number D, Gahiramotha Beach. Correct answer, option number D, Gahiramotha Beach. Question number 9. Which district in Odisha is famous for its ancient rock-cut caves? Option number A, Kandhamal. Option number B, Kalahandi. Option number C, Khordha. Option number D, Jajpur. Correct answer, option number C, Khordha. Question number 10. Which festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm in Odisha and is known for its folk dances like Dalkhai and Sambalpuri? Option number A, Durga Puja. Option number B, Makara Sankranti. Option number C, Raja Parva. Option number D, Nuakhai. Correct answer, option number D, Nuakhai. Question number 11. Which is the largest freshwater lake in Odisha? Option number A, Chilika Lake. Option number B, Ansupa Lake. Option number C, Dal Lake. Option number D, Sambar Lake. Correct answer, option number B, Ansupa Lake. Question number 12. Which city in Odisha is famous for its applique work? Option number A, Baripada. Option number B, Bargarh. Option number C, Raghurajpur. Option number D, Puri. Correct answer, option number D, Puri. Question number 13. What is the state symbol of Odisha? Option number A, Ashoka Pillar. Option number B, Konark horse statue. Option number C, tiger emblem. Option number D, lotus. Correct answer, option number B, Konark horse statue. Question number 14. What is the state animal of Odisha? Option number A, Bengal tiger. Option number B, Asian elephant. Option number C, Indian bison. Option number D, Sambar deer. Correct answer, option number D, Sambar deer. Question number 15. What is the state bird of Odisha? Option number A, peacock. Option number B, Indian roller. Option number C, sparrow. Option number D, eagle. Correct answer, option number D, Indian roller. Question number 16. What is the state flower of Odisha? Option number A, marigold. Option number B, lotus. Option number C, Ashoka flower. Option number D, hibiscus. Correct answer, option number C, Ashoka flower. Question number 17. What is the state tree of Odisha? Option number A, neem tree. Option number B, banyan tree. Option number C, peepal tree. Option number D, sal tree. Correct answer, option number C, peepal tree. Question number 18. What is the state fruit of Odisha? Option number A, banana. Option number B, guava. Option number C, mango. Option number D, jackfruit. Correct answer, option number D, jackfruit. Question number 19. What is the state motto of Odisha? Option number A, Jai Hind. Option number B, Satyameva Jayate. Option number C, Vande Mataram. Option number D, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Correct answer, option number B, Satyameva Jayate. Question number 20. Which of these is not a traditional food of Odisha? Option number A, dalma. Option number B, chenapodo. Option number C, pakhala. Option number D, sushi. Correct answer, option number D, sushi. Question number 21. What is the state fish of Odisha? Option number A, rohu. Option number B, katla. Option number C, Mahanadi Masir. Option number D, hilsa. Correct answer, option number C, Mahanadi Masir. Question number 22. Where is Odisha located in India? Option number A, Western India. Option number B, Southern India. Option number C, Eastern India. Option number D, Northern India. Correct answer, option number C, Eastern India. Question number 23. What is the Odisha's rank by area in India? Option number A, 7th. Option number B, 8th. Option number C, 9th. Option number D, 10th. Correct answer, option number B, 8th. Question number 24. What is Odisha's rank by population in India? Option number A, 9th. Option number B, 10th. Option number C, 11th. Option number D, 12th. Correct answer, option number C, 11th. Question number 25. What is the Odisha's rank for scheduled tribe ST population in India? Option number A, 2nd. Option number B, 3rd. Option number C, 4th. Option number D, 5th. Correct answer, option number B, 3rd. Question number 26. What is the length of Odisha's coastline along the Bay of Bengal? Option number A, 350. Option number B, 400. Option number C, 485. Option number D, 500. Correct answer, option number C, 485. Question number 27. What is the name of Odisha's largest thermal power field? Option number A, Jindal field. Option number B, Talcher field. Option number C, Taravalo field. Option number D, Raurkela field. Correct answer, option number B, Talcher field. Question number 28. What is the Odisha's percentage of India's total land area? Option number A, 3.98%. Option number B, 4.29%. Option number C, 4.73%. Option number D, 4.10%. Correct answer, option number C, 4.73%. Question number 29. Which state leads India in iron ore production? Option number A, Jharkhand. Option number B, Odisha. Option number C, Karnataka. Option number D, Chhattisgarh. Correct answer, option number B, Odisha. Question number 30. Where is Ansupa Lake situated? Option number A, Brahmani River, Anugul. Option number B, Baitarani River, Jajpur. Option number C, Mahanadi River, Cuttack. Option number D, Subarnarekha River, Baleshwar. Correct answer, option number C, Mahanadi River, Cuttack. Question number 31. What is Odisha's rank in manganese production in India? Option number A, first. Option number B, second. Option number C, third. Option number D, fourth. Correct answer, option number C, third. Question number 32. Paradip port is located along which river? Option number A, Baitarani. Option number B, Brahmani. Option number C, Subarnarekha. Option number D, Mahanadi. Correct answer, option number D, Mahanadi. Question number 33. Which is the highest peak in Odisha? Option number A, Mahendragiri. Option number B, Daringbadi. Option number C, Deomali. Option number D, Chandragiri. Correct answer, option number C, Deomali. Question number 34. What is known as the heart of Odisha? Option number A, Cuttack. Option number B, Bhubaneswar. Option number C, Anugul. Option number D, Puri. Correct answer, option number C, Anugul. Question number 35. Which is the smallest district of Odisha by area? Option number A, Gajapati. Option number B, Deogarh. Option number C, Jharsuguda. Option number D, Jagatsinghpur. Correct answer, option number D, Jagatsinghpur. Question number 36. Which is the smallest district of Odisha by population? Option number A, Nayagarh. Option number B, Deogarh. Option number C, Malkangiri. Option number D, Dhenkanal. Correct answer, option number B, Deogarh. Question number 37. Why is Similpal National Park famous? Option number A, lions. Option number B, Royal Bengal tigers. Option number C, snow leopards. Option number D, Asiatic elephants. Correct answer, option number B, Royal Bengal tigers. Question number 38. Which caves are known as the Ellora of Odisha? Option number A, Ratnagiri. Option number B, Udayagiri. Option number C, Dhauli. Option number D, Lalitgiri. Correct answer, option number B, Udayagiri. Question number 39. Which is the highest waterfall in Odisha? Option number A, Khandadhar. Option number B, Duduma. Option number C, Barehipani. Option number D, Harisankar. Correct answer, option number C, Barehipani. Question number 40. Which river is called the Ganga of Odisha? Option number A, Mahanadi. Option number B, Brahmani. Option number C, Baitarani. Option number D, Rusikulya. Correct answer, option number C, Baitarani. Question number 41. What is the main crop grown in Odisha? Option number A, wheat. Option number B, corn. Option number C, rice. Option number D, sugarcane. Correct answer, option number C, rice. Question number 42. Which city is known as the Black Diamond City of Odisha? Option number A, Raurkela. Option number B, Talcher. Option number C, Jharsuguda. Option number D, Keonjhar. Correct answer, option number B, Talcher. Question number 43. Which is the largest lake in Odisha? Option number A, Ansupa Lake. Option number B, Chilika Lake. Option number C, Bindusagar Lake. Option number D, Dal Lake. Correct answer, option number B, Chilika Lake. Question number 44. What is the second largest river in Odisha? Option number A, Subarnarekha. Option number B, Brahmani. Option number C, Rusikulya. Option number D, Vansadhara. Correct answer, option number B, Brahmani. Question number 45. Which dam is built across the Mahanadi River? Option number A, Rengali Dam. Option number B, Hirakud Dam. Option number C, Upper Kolab Dam. Option number D, Balimela Dam. Correct answer, option number B, Hirakud Dam. Question number 46. Which is the largest iron and steel producing plant in Odisha? Option number A, Bhilai Steel Plant. Option number B, Raurkela Steel Plant. Option number C, Jindal Steel Works. Option number D, SR Steel Odisha. Correct answer, option number B, Raurkela Steel Plant. Question number 47. Which is the largest village in Asia located in Odisha? Option number A, Baripada. Option number B, Bhuvana. Option number C, Jagatsinghpur. Option number D, Barampur. Correct answer, option number B, Bhuvana. Question number 48. What is the fourth largest dam in the world and Asia's longest earthen dam? Option number A, Rengali Dam. Option number B, Balimela Dam. Option number C, Hirakud Dam. Option number D, Ukai Dam. Correct answer, option number C, Hirakud Dam. Question number 49. In which year was the name changed from Orissa to Odisha? Option number A, 2008. Option number B, 2010. Option number C, 2011. Option number D, 2013. Correct answer, option number C, 2011. Question number 50. Who invaded the ancient kingdom of Kalinga? Option number A, Emperor Harsha. Option number B, Emperor Chandragupta. Option number C, Mauryan Emperor Ashok. Option number D, Emperor Samudragupta. Correct answer, option number C, Mauryan Emperor Ashok. Question number 51. When was the Jagannath temple at Puri reconstructed by King Anantavarman Chodagangadeva? Option number A, 1110. Option number B, 1135. Option number C, 1150. Option number D, 1200. Correct answer, option number B, 1135. Question number 52. What was the first Odia newspaper? Option number A, Utkal Samachar. Option number B, Bodhodaini. Option number C, Utkala Deepika. Option number D, Samaj. Correct answer, option number C, Utkal Deepika. Question number 53. Who initiated the construction of the famous Jagannath temple in Puri? Option number A, Narasimhadeva I. Option number B, Anantavarman Chodagangadeva. Option number C, Gangadev. Option number D, Jayati Kesari. Correct answer, option number B, Anantavarman Chodagangadev. Question number 54. When was the general elections for Odisha's Legislative Assembly first conducted? Option number A, 1948. Option number B, 1950. Option number C, 1952. Option number D, 1955. Correct answer, option number C, 1952. Question number 55. Who was the first Prime Minister of Odisha before independence? Option number A, Madhusudan Das. Option number B, Maharaja Krishnachandra Gajpati. Option number C, Hare Krishna Mahatab. Option number D, Nilakantha Das. Correct answer, option number D, Maharaja Krishnachandra Gajpati. Question number 56. Which city is referred to as business capital of Odisha? Option number A, Bhubaneswar. Option number B, Cuttack. Option number C, Puri. Option number D, Raurkela. Correct answer, option number B, Cuttack. Question number 57. What is the Odisha's only UNESCO World Heritage Site? Option number A, Jagannath Temple. Option number B, Dhauli Hill. Option number C, Konark Sun Temple. Option number D, Udayagiri. Correct answer, option number C, Konark Sun Temple. Question number 58. Which is the oldest city of Odisha? Option number A Puri, option number B Raurkela, option number C Cuttack, option number D Bhubaneswar. Correct answer option number C Cuttack. Question number 59. Who was the last king of Odisha? Option number A Mukunda Dev, option number B Chodaganga Dev, option number D Ananga Bhima Dev, option number D Narasimha Deva II. Correct answer option number A Mukunda Dev. Question number 60. Who was the first president of India from Odisha? Option number A Draupadi Murmu, option number B Rajendra Prasad, option number C V.V. Giri, option number D Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Correct answer option number C V.V. Giri. Question number 61. When was Odisha established as a state? Option number A April 1st 1935, option number B April 1st 1936, option number C January 26 1950, option number D November 1st 1956. Correct answer option number B April 1st 1936. Question number 62. What was the first Oriya magazine? Option number A Navabharat, option number B Bodhodaini, option number C Samaj, option number D Prajatantra. Correct answer option number B Bodhodaini. Question number 63. What is the state song of Odisha? Option number A Vande Mataram, option number B Vande Utkala Janani, option number C Jana Gana Mana, option number D Odisha Vandana. Correct answer option number B Vande Utkala Janani. Question number 64. What is the famous sweet of Odisha? Option number A Gulab Jamun, option number B Jalebi, option number C Rasgulla, option number D Peda. Correct answer option number C Rasgulla. Question number 65. By what name is Odisha referred to in India's national anthem? Option number A Kalinga, option number B Utkala, option number C Odisha, option number D Udra. Correct answer option number B Utkal. Question number 66. What is the name of Odisha's classical dance form? Option number A Kathak, option number B Bharatanatyam, option number C Odissi, option number D Kuchipudi. Correct answer option number C Odissi. Question number 67. Which Sambalpuri song is famous worldwide? Option number A Vande Utkala Janani, option number B Rangavati, option number C Mare Odia, option number D Sunara Odisha. Correct answer option number B Rangavati. Question number 68. Odisha is primarily known for which feature? Option number A beaches, option number B temples, option number C wildlife, option number D cuisine. Correct answer option number B temples. Question number 69. Which city is known as the city of temples? Option number A Konark, option number B Bhubaneswar, option number C Puri, option number D Cuttack. Correct answer option number B Bhubaneswar. Question number 70. What is Odisha's famous dessert? Option number A Jalebi, option number B Chhenapoda, option number C Rasmalai, option number D Payasam. Correct answer option number B Chhenapoda. Question number 71. Which is Odisha's largest festival? Option number A Diwali, option number B Rath Yatra, option number C Durga Puja, option number D Holi. Correct answer option number B Rath Yatra. Question number 72. Which is the largest tribal group in Odisha? Option number A Santal, option number B Kandha, option number C Bhuiya, option number D Saura. Correct answer option number B Kandha. Question number 73. Why is Sambalpur famous? Option number A Sambalpuri Bandha Sarij, option number B silk production. Option number C, diamond mining. Option number D, sandalwood. Correct answer, option number A, Sambalpuri Bandha sarees. Question number 74. Who is regarded as the queen of Odia literature? Option number A, Pratibha Roy. Option number B, Kuntala Kumari Sawat. Option number C, Sarojini Naidu. Option number D, Vidyut Prabha Devi. Correct answer, option number A, Pratibha Roy. Question number 75. Which festival in Odisha celebrates the menstruation period of mother and womanhood? Option number A, Rath Yatra. Option number B, Dolo Purnima. Option number C, Raja Festival. Option number D, Makara Sankranti. Correct answer, option number C, Raja Festival. Question number 76. Which city is known as the Silk City of Odisha? Option number A, Sambalpur. Option number B, Barampur. Option number C, Bhubaneswar. Option number D, Puri. Correct answer, option number B, Barampur. Question number 77. Which Odia poet was given the title of Kavi Samrat? Option number A, Gopabandhu Das. Option number B, Upendra Bhanja. Option number C, Madhusudan Das. Option number D, Fakir Mohan Senapati. Correct answer, option number B, Upendra Bhanja. Question number 78. What is the regional language of Odisha? Option number A, Hindi. Option number B, Bengali. Option number C, Odia. Option number D, Telugu. Correct answer, option number C, Odia. Question number 79. Recently, who has conferred with Yashasvi Sanaman in Kathmandu? Option number A, Dr. Achyut Samant. Option number B, Chitaranjan Patnaik. Option number C, Mohan Charan Majhi. Option number D, Dharmendra Pradhan. Correct answer, option number A, Dr. Achyut Samant. Question number 80. Who has been selected for Utkal Sanman Award? Option number A, Satyanarayan Rajguru. Option number B, Santanu Acharya. Option number C, Bhagirathi Mahapatra. Option number D, Swetapadma Das. Correct answer, option number B, Santanu Acharya. Question number 81. The Odisha government's Mo School Abhiyan has been renamed as option number A, Odisha Shiksha Abhijan. Option number B, CM School Abhiyan. Option number C, Panchasakha Shiksha Setu. Option number D, 5T School. Correct answer, option number C, Panchasakha Shiksha Setu. Question number 82. PM Usha scheme related to which field? Option number A, education. Option number B, health. Option number C, sports. Option number D, transport. Correct answer, option number A, education. Question number 83. Swati Singh related to which field? Option number A, education. Option number B, cricket. Option number C, weightlifting. Option number D, cycling. Correct answer, option number C, weightlifting. Question number 84. Who get prestigious Biju Patnaik Wildlife Conservation Award 2024? Option number A, Vivek Agnihotri. Option number B, Sambit Patra. Option number C, Siddharth Pati. Option number D, Vishnu Hota. Correct answer, option number C, Siddharth Pati. Question number 85. Who has conferred with Sarala Puraskar? Option number A, Dr. Sarojini Sahu. Option number B, Santanu Acharya. Option number C, Pramita Satpathy. Option number D, Bhimo Prushti. Correct answer, option number A, Dr. Sarojini Sahu. Question number 86. Who received Iconic Healthcare Leader Award? Option number A, Dr. Achyut Samant. Option number B, Parvati Parida. Option number C, Subrat Bagchi. Option number D, Naveen Patnaik. Correct answer, option number A, Dr. Achyut Samant. Question number 87. Which institution from Odisha begins phase 3 dengue vaccine trial? Option number A, KIMS. Option number B, KISS. Option number C, AIMS. Option number D, SCB Medical. Correct answer. Option number A, KIMS. Question number 88. Which state has been recognized as the best state in India for road safety initiative? Option number A, Andhra Pradesh. Option number B, Odisha. Option number C, West Bengal. Option number D, Bihar. Correct answer. Option number B, Odisha. Question number 89. What is the official sport of Odisha? Option number A, cricket. Option number B, kabaddi. Option number C, field hockey. Option number D, wrestling. Correct answer. Option number C, field hockey. Question number 90. Who took away the image of Jina from Kalinga? Option number A, Sethupadma. Option number B, Mahapadmananda. Option number C, Kharabela. Option number D, Padmananda. Correct answer. Option number B, Mahapadmananda. Question number 91. Where East India Company first set up their factory in Odisha? Option number A, Dhamara. Option number B, Paradeep. Option number C, Baleswar. Option number D, Harispur. Correct answer. Option number D, Harispur. Question number 92. Who was the founder of Sanatana Mahima Dharma or Mahima religion Odisha? Option number A, Bhima Bhoi. Option number B, Mahima Swami. Option number C, Vishwanatha Baba. Option number D, Jagannath Das. Correct answer. Option number B, Mahima Swami. Question number 93. King Kharavela works mentioned in which of the following caves inscription in Odisha? Option number A, Rani Gumpha. Option number B, Hathi Gumpha. Option number C, Vyaghra Gumpha. Option number D, Ananta Gumpha. Correct answer. Option number B, Hathi Gumpha. Question number 94. Who established the Gajapati dynasty of Odisha? Option number A, Prataprudra Deva. Option number B, Kapilendra Deva. Option number C, Purushottama Deva. Option number D, Narasimha Dev. Correct answer. Option number B, Kapilendra Deva. Question number 95. Which among the following is known as Bhaumakara's kingdom? Option number A, Kosala. Option number B, Kalinga. Option number C, Tosali. Option number D, Udra. Correct answer. Option number C, Tosali. Question number 96. The capital city of Bhaumokaras was located on the bank of which river? Option number A, Brahmani. Option number B, Baitarani. Option number C, Subarna Rekha. Option number D, Salandi. Correct answer. Option number B, Baitarani. Question number 97. Who was the first Muslim ruler to send an invasion against Odisha in 1205 AD? Option number A, Muhammad Ghori. Option number B, Bakhtiyar Khilji. Option number C, Qutbuddin Aibak. Option number D, Iltutmish. Correct answer. Option number B, Bakhtiyar Khilji. Question number 98. Which princely state was the first to merge with Odisha? Option number A, Dhenkanal. Option number B, Ranapur. Option number C, Nilagiri. Option number D, Kalahandi. Correct answer. Option number C, Nilagiri. Question number 99. The historic Paika Rebellion took place in the year. Option number A, 1817. Option number B, 1813. Option number C, 1827. Option number D, 1905. Correct answer. Option number A, 1817. Question number 100. The legendary Gopabandhu Das was born in the year. Option number A, 1858. Option number B, 1867. Option number C, 1877. Option number D, 1881. Comment the answer in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Classes with BS, and also press the bell icon to get the latest videos, and also comment in the comment box.